Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. And today I am in Carlsbad at the Oceanfront property with members of our very own San Diego Horticultural Association. And I'm going to be doing a workshop today. I'm going to be talking with them about some of the tips and secrets and successes and even failures that I've had installing succulent tapestries, answer all their questions, and see if we can't inspire another group of San Diegans to take their ugly and make it beautiful with succulents. Okay, through Deborah Baldwin, she found me, and I said, gee, let me think about it. Okay, and the rest of it I just removed. And it was really a challenge. This was a really challenging project. It's easier to work on 2 acres of a blank slate than it is to work within the parameters of an existing garden. And it's small, so I had challenges. And those of you that follow me closely know I don't draw. So it's not that I'm being difficult. I can't draw. I can't draw. My mind doesn't work that way. On the occasions when I'm working with a landscape contractor, if I'm collaborating, then they roll out the plans. They might as well be upside down. Wow, we want it to stay like it is, and that's the secret with this too. So if you have a plant that's unruly, dig it up, cut off the roots, and stick it back in the ground. And what is my rule? If your succulent stands up, you can speak. You've done your job. That's right. So that's where that little saying of mine comes from. If I haven't planted it deep enough and it flops over, I have failed as a gardener. And that's the only rule. Did I amend the soil? No. Did I turn off the water? No.
Everything looks so promising. Hey, good morning.
So is this weaving that they do?
Okay, well, we have completed our workshop where I have walked these glorious members of the San Diego Horticultural Association through the tips and the tricks and the challenges of installing a succulent tapestry. And if they have learned anything, it's this. If your succulent stands up,
You've done your job.
Woohoo! This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity reporting from Carlsbad, California with your succulent